What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a really cool intro for your videos in 2020, because the new year has started and we're just a couple weeks into it, and a lot of people want to give their channel like a whole new branding. They want to create like a new intro, for example, to freshen things up. So in today's video I'm going to also show you how to do that. But guys, make sure to watch all the way to the end, because we're going to run a really small giveaway at the very end of this video. So make sure to keep watching, and let's just go ahead and get started with making this awesome intro, obviously right after the intro. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we are on renderforest.com, and right here we're going to create a really cool intro. So for the people that want to know how to not necessarily make an intro out of a template and to want to create a intro in Vegas Pro, for example, from scratch, doing it all yourself, I have linked down a video in the description so you guys can check that out when this video is done. But for this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to skip the entire process of, like, you know, spending hours and hours on masking, for example, a one single asset that's coming into the screen. You guys know what I'm trying to say, you know, like saving all that time. And if you don't have much time to create an intro and sit down for hours, I'm going to show you how to create a really cool one using Renderforest. Now right here, if you click on the first link in the description down below, you will actually see this website. It says online video, animation, logo and website maker. So they're not only focusing on intros. So right here at the very top it says make a logo, create a video, edit a mockup, or build a website. So for now we're going to click on create a video. Okay, so right here we can choose all kinds of templates. Now right here it says animation videos, meaning that you can create like mobile app promotions, and for example like for Facebook ads, anything you can imagine, they have it right here. We have intros and logos, slideshows, presentations, for example for school, music, visualizations. For now we're going to click on intros and logos, and right now we're going to actually decide what kind of intro are we going to customize, because you have to keep in mind before you're going to do this, think about like what kind of intro is fitting for your channel. Like if you have a Minecraft channel, for example, a gaming channel, you want to pick something like more gaming related. If you have like a VFX channel, you want to, you know, like pick this kind of like explosion kind of, it has to be in the same theme, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so for my channel, for example, I have a, you know, channel that's kind of in the how-to / tech, you know, kind of vibe. So we have multiple series going on, you know, video editing, but also deep web and growing on YouTube. So I think like any of these intros would actually fit. This glitch intro looks really cool. So we're going to click on here and we're going to obviously customize it first. Okay, so right here it says, you know, it gives you like the categories and, you know, what kind of category it is, how long it is, like the exports, like how many people have also downloaded this one. So we have the widescreen version for YouTube and Facebook and all that. But if you want to create like a really quick ad for Instagram, you also want to pick the square version, because obviously videos on Instagram on your phone are squared resolutions. So we're going to pick widescreen and we're going to click on create now. So it will bring you to this editor page where it says this is your viewer. You can preview each of your scenes here and see how it will look on the video. It represents the future look of your video. Click on media or text placeholders and edit them to match your desired look. So obviously we can like go through all of it. Like this is the tool panel. Here you can upload your images or change texts. In some cases, choose durations and special effects. Whatever your edit here will be updated in the viewer. We can also just click on skip, because it's really straightforward, because on the top you can place your logo and at the bottom you can place your text. So for this video, let's just insert my yellow GAH logo that I have for a couple of years now. So if you click on here, we can click on upload. We have also a media library on, you know, this website. If you inserted like previous logos in the past, you have like an image URL if you have it from a website, or create a logo yourself. But I'm going to hit upload. Okay guys, so right here it says alexlogo.png, so I'm going to double click on it so it will actually be nice and sharp and everything. So it's going to load the cropper, and you can also, like, you know, change the resolution. You can make it smaller if you want to. I'm just going to make it just a little smaller, and I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, so right here you can see the preview, but if you want to change it up, you can just click on crop again, and then you can just make this, for example, like a little bit bigger, hit confirm, and then it will be in your preview. Okay, so at the bottom it says your tagline here, so you can basically fill in anything you want. Do you want to fill in your own name? Do you want to fill in like what kind of content do you have, for example, like tutorials dash instruction videos, anything, but I'm just going to type in my name. So if people click on my video and they watch the intro, and at the bottom they know who they're watching, obviously. So I'm going to click on save and close. So now it's going to insert that. Okay, so moving on to the next tab, we have the style. So we can have like multiple previews, as you can see. You know, in this case, I don't really want my, you know, intro to be black and white. I'm just going to, for example, like pick the colored one. Obviously, we can also insert music if we want to, but I highly suggest to, you know, find a no copyrighted song on YouTube, if you know what I mean, because if you're creating an intro, you already probably have like music in your mind that you want to use. But if you want to use music from this website, you can have like an entire library you can choose from like really short songs to actually quite a lot of songs. For example, like this is one is 7 seconds, but you can also have like 20 seconds, all that, and you can also add in your own voiceover if you want to. Okay, so now that we're done editing, let's just hit preview, and it doesn't give you like a preview on the website straight away. So I'm just going to download the free preview that will download the watermarked version, so we can actually see what we've created so far. And then if we're not happy with it yet, we can just go back to the editor and make the proper adjustments. Okay, so the video is in the queue right now. It's downloading, so I'm just going to, you know, speed up the cameras or shut it off, because exporting can take like 5 to 10 minutes because it's like a really high quality one. So I'll catch you guys when this is finished exporting. So right here we have the finished exported preview. We have the watermark at the bottom. So let's just play it back and let's see what we've created so far. So as you can see right now, this looks really, really cool. We have like all the glitch overlays. We have our like GAH logo, as you can see, fading in and having like, you know, all these glitch overlays to it. So in my opinion, I think this one looks really, really nice. I would prefer it like a little bit shorter, because glitch intros, I just like, you know, expect them to be like 3 to 4 seconds, like really quick. This one is like 10 seconds. So I would actually download this one from the website and then just edit it and, you know, like adjust it a little bit more in Vegas Pro. But you guys know what I'm trying to say, guys. So if you want to click on remove watermark, we can actually go ahead and, you know, remove that, and we can purchase the official intro. So obviously we have a free plan, which is up to 500 megabytes of storage. We have unlimited 360p video exports, up to 3-minute videos, limited numbers of music tracks, and watermarks on everything, of course, because it's a free plan. Then we have the amateur, which is $9.99. It gives you 10 gigs of storage. We have 7 HD 720p videos per month, up to 5-minute videos. We have 30 plus commercial music tracks and no watermarks on HD videos, and that's exactly the same for all the other plans. No watermarks whatsoever. On the $24.99 Pro plan, the popular one, the $39.99, obviously the agency, which is $49.99, which gives you up to unlimited HD 1080p videos per month, up to 60-minute videos, and 120 plus commercial music tracks for you guys to use. But obviously I'm gonna let you guys decide which plan works best for you. We just got the intro. It is in the queue right now, so we just have to wait until it's finished downloading and exporting and, you know, preparing in the highest quality possible, and then we can just go ahead and download it straight away. Okay, the video has finished exporting. Let's just hit download, and I'm going to also show you how to import this one into Vegas Pro for the people wondering. So we have our output HD 1080p video right here. We're just going to hit save, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then real simple, guys, just drag this into Vegas Pro, and as you can see right here, we have our glitched intro. If I play it back for you. So that is basically the intro, guys. It's really, really cool, and that is how to do it. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Now, at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that we're gonna run a little giveaway. Now, for this website, you have to pay for the intros, and for the people that want to pay and invest in their channel, that's a really, really good thing. But for the people that, for example, like can't afford it right now, they're in school, they're in work, they're on a tight budget, I have 3 coupon codes, 100% off, that I'm gonna give away to 3 people in the comment section to let me know why they want to win. So if you want to win this intro, just make sure to let me know in the comments reasons why you want to win this coupon code for 100% off this intro. So you can just go ahead and go to the website, choose your intro wisely because the code only works one time, and then you can just fill in the coupon code, download it straight away without any watermarks. Thanks a lot to Renderforest for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys obviously in my next video.